Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are going to make crazy spaghetti something or other. So I was tagged in this crazy challenge by Kirby. Alright, I'm gonna put the link to his channel below. We're gonna make some spaghetti tacos today. You know it's gonna be interesting. Alright, if you're a returning subscriber, it's part of CJ's crew, thanks for stopping by. You know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can see all the good things we're doing out here. Alright? Come on back and we're gonna go crazy with the spaghetti. Alright? Come on back.
Alright, there you go, guys. Finished product. We got our spaghetti tacos for our crazy spaghetti challenge. Alright, come on back and I'll show you how we do this. We have half a pound of ground beef, little olives for the top, shells that stand, taco seasoning, cheese, and spaghetti. Alright, come on back and we'll put this thing together. Alright guys, we're back on the stove here. We're going to work on making our taco seasoning for our spaghetti tacos. So we're just going to do it like it says. So we got our pasta bowl in there. I'm using the old wooden spoon trick to keep it from foaming over. Doesn't look like it's working to me. Alright, just got some spaghetti in there, no big deal. Alright, we're going to let this go, simmer it down like the directions say, and come on back. Alright guys, we're back. We got our beef is already done, our pasta's done, so we're going to take it out, put it in there. A little bit of pasta water won't hurt anything. Alright, that's a bit. Alright, we're going to get this cooked through, warmed through a little bit. And get all the flavors on the pasta. Alright. Alright guys, gonna mix up together. Alright, it looks interesting to me. Alright, we're gonna put these tacos together. Hold on. Come on back.
Alright guys, we're back. We're gonna try these bad boys. My spaghetti tacos. My crazy spaghetti tag. So we're gonna try these. Alright. Cheers. Alright. It tastes like, you know what it tastes like. It tastes like taco meat with spaghetti in it. So, it's not bad. It's fun. I'll eat them. You know, nothing's gonna go to waste. So, anyway. So I'm gonna tag 3 people that wanna do this. Alright, so we got Gary Gunn at the Food Report Network. Lasse, Lasse's Cooking and Grilling. And Chris Lance at Gray Country Grilling. Alright? You guys have some fun with it. It'd be a good time. Come up with something crazy. Alright? The links for those 3 will be below. Follow them along. Kirby, thanks for putting me into this bad boy. Your link's down below too. I'm gonna finish these up. They're pretty good. I don't know. Surprised me enough, but no, they're good. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.